Looking for best slimline dishwashers to buy on Black Friday? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, this 9-place setting slimline dishwasher is rated an impressive A++ for energy efficiency and A for cleaning performance, making it an excellent energy saver as well as a consistent cleaner, by Hobbs. Number 2, this built-in Hobbs dishwasher has a sleek design, fitting into your cabinets to save space in your home, another great product by Hobbs. Number 3, this dishwasher comes with an adjustable top shelf, allowing you to arrange your dirty dishes in a way that suits your regular load. For real-time updates and price drops, just click this link below. We will automatically add these items to your cart, for price alerts.